We are the team Little Big from SN College of Engineering. We are making a project based on IoT based smart garbage disposal system. So the problem statements which we have taken into consideration are to avoid mixing up of garbage and the overflow of garbage. So we just wanted to solve these two problems. Now let us see the solution and the prototype. This is the smart bin 1. The LCD displays the percentage of garbage filled. So when a person stands before the bin, the door will open. So the person can place the garbage inside the bin. So now we are placing the plastic item and the metal detector detects it as a plastic and it pushes towards the left. Now we are placing a metal can. So now the circuit detects it as a metal and it will push towards the right. So we are using a LC oscillator circuit here to detect whether it's a metal or non-metal. So now we are going to make the garbage bin fill manually by keeping our hands close to the ultrasonic sensor. So when the garbage bin is full, it will move from its original position to the garbage disposal area. Once the smart bin 1 reaches the garbage disposal area, another bin will take its position. This is our second system. Basically what it does is that there will be a push button in the suspended dustbin. So when a person presses that button, the moving dustbin will go to its position and it will collect the garbage from the suspended dustbin. So we designed the systems for hospitals and offices, and the previous system was designed for malls and offices.
Left, stop, right, stop, forward, stop, left,
back,
stop, forward, stop, backward, stop.